Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the mini glow-in-the-dark resin animals. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. In this package we have 100 pieces of these mystery bag surprises. In each of the bag there is an animal resin that is glow-in-the-dark. I love that each of these animals are pouched into the mystery bag, making it exciting for the kids to discover which animal they won. The animals are crafted from high quality resin that is waterproof and fade resistant, and it is able to maintain the vibrant colors and intricate details whether used indoors or outdoors. The kids also love the glow in the dark feature as they watch the mini animals absorb light during the day and emit a soft magical glow at night. If you are in the market for fun, super cute mystery resin animals, whether for DIY projects, party favors, or other purposes, this is definitely worth looking into.